Welcome back to the channel. I'm Tim.
Sean here.
So this is another food vlog under Food Without Pretensions. Today we're having Korean beef stew mukbang.
From Korea.
Yes, I'm gonna share a recipe of this.
Bango.
So wait for it.
Yes. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. That's Food Without Pretensions. And I believe we have a collab today.
Yes, it's PG Family Mukbang. Check this out.
Ay na po tayo mga ka-PG!
There you go. So again, guys, don't forget to subscribe to PG Family Mukbang.
Yes. So thank you so much for this collaboration.
Yes, we are really happy to do this with you guys.
Let's bless the food.
Bless us, O Lord, from these thanks which we are about to receive from thy abode through Christ our Lord. Amen.
So we have brown rice and kimchi side dish. Here's the serving spoon.
Yes.
So you take the first.
Oh, thank you. You know, as for filming of this video, As of filming this video, nasa gitna tayo ng bagyo currently. And perfect ang stew kasi it's very hot. Tadaan!
There's the serving spoon.
Ay, wala. Serving spoon. Ang bango-bango niya kanina. Alam mo, habang niluto siya ni Mrs. Amoy na amoy mo yung stew. And you feel like you're in a Korean restaurant.
Sabi ko sa kanya, amoy Korean restaurant na yung bahay.
Yes, oo nga, diba? Korean restaurant in bahay. At bakit ka pa pupunta sa mga restaurant if kaya naman siya ma-achieve sa bahay? Diba?
Wow.
Oh, this is a very big piece. I'm gonna try it.
Dalawa-dalawang. Actually, tatlo.
Tatlo na pala.
Ilang grams na yan din.
Naku, sobra-sobra. But anyway, your turn. Lagyan natin yung sauce.
Oops.
Sorry. We're not coordinated. Hindi kami coordinated. Bango-bango. Para gusto ko lang siya amuyin.
Mag-first bite ka na.
Alam mo, maganda dito sa ginawa ni Mrs. It's very tender.
Para siyang osobuco.
If you want to know what's the secret behind a very tender meat, watch the video na ipapost ni Mrs. Wow! Panalo! So, sabay tayong bite.
So, unang subo daw, sabay daw kami. Para sweat.
Wow! Pair natin ng kimchi. Yung kimchi yung nagpapabigay ng special flavor. Thank you. Ayan, di ba? Very colorful yung no? Tingnan niyo yung close-up namin kanina. Ang colorful ng dish. Very colorful. What I like about Korean food is very distinct yung parang yung chili taste nila, no? Parang talagang very unique yung Korean siya. Ayan! Nalo! Of course, kulang ang ating mukbang pag wala tayong not necessarily trivia, but something to entertain. Our topic for today is foreign brands na kilala natin. Saan ang kanilang origin? And the origin of world's famous foreign brands. Are you ready, guys? Ready na ba kayo?
Ready na.
Ready na ikaw? Ready na rin ako. So, let's go! Question number 1. Saan ang galing ang brand na Red Bull?
US?
Nope.
Philippines?
Nope. Kala ko US. Hindi pala.
Argentina?
No.
Sirit na.
It originated from Austria. Yeah, I didn't know it's from Austria. I didn't know that. 30 years ago daw siya na-invento. Yeah, So, Austria. Oh, before the second question, please don't forget to subscribe to PG Mukbang, PG
Family mukbang.
Mukbang. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's Food Without Pretensions. Yes. Second question. Origin of Legos.
Japan. US.
No, akala ko US yun.
Sweden.
No.
Saan?
The country of origin of Lego is Denmark.
Oh.
Mga Danes. Mga Danes na nag-originate ang Lego. English, Denmark. Next question. Well, very interesting, di ba? Guys, if you know the answer, please comment down in the section below. So, very interesting. Saan nagmula ang Zara?
Germany.
Nope.
Italy.
Nope.
France.
Nope.
Saan?
The country of origin of Zara is in Spain. Hispania. Viva España! Yan guys, Zara is from Spain. I didn't know that. Kala ko rin dati yun. I decided to eat that or France. Galing. Ito, next question. Alam mo yung beer na Heineken? Saan country siya nag-originate?
Germany. Russia.
No.
Denmark.
No.
Japan.
Netherlands.
Ooh.
It's from Netherlands. Kala ko US din. Okay. There's a lot of things in this world now. It's so fun to discover. Huh? Really? Yeah, that's what good about mga trivia. Parang it gets you interested in things like this.
True.
Malapit ang rice.
Hindi ko alam kung magra-rice pa ako.
Cut muna namin sa saglit. Kuha kami ng rice.
Excellent.
Next question. Ito, favorite beer ko to eh. Alam mo yung Corona? Saan bansa nang galing ang Corona beer?
US.
No. Pero favorite ng mga Americans. Diba na doon, madalas na nakikita mo yun sa mga sa Fast and the Furious. Lagi siya na may picture doon.
Mexico.
Oh, galing! Yes! It's from Mexico.
Kasi isip ko si Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel. Kasi yung laging beer na iniinom niya doon.
Alam mo, sarap-sarap ng sabaw. Para palang Korean version ng bulalo, pero somehow it looks more pleasant yung color.
Alam mo yung Corona beer? Sino siya eh? If you have Corona beer, make sure lagi siyang may lemon on top.
Dahil?
Pasok mo sa loob and it fizzle siya sa loob. Pero kasi, there's a reason why ginawa yun. Pero sarap kasi, when you do that, pag pinasok mo yung lemon, talaga siya, nagbabubbles. Ngayon, if you're wondering bakit meron, I read somewhere, sa Google ko nabasa, I searched it in Google. The reason why they put lemon there before is, syempre, during the old times, before, medyo mahirap ang refrigeration ng mga beer. Nangyayari, for example, you drink beer and nakabukas siya ng matagal, minsan yung mga pest, nilalangaw, gano'n siya. Syempre, hindi naman uubusin mo kagad yung beer. So, ginawa nila, naglagay sila ng lemon on top para to keep the flies away. Pero I think, somewhere down the road, biglang nalaglag siya doon and biglang nag-sizzle bigla, and nag-improve yung taste.
Oh.
Ayun, kaya naging tradition na siya.
Best discoveries are
By accident.
Are by accident.
By accident. Totoo yan, totoo yan.
Same with the cronut.
Yeah.
By accident din yun eh.
Pero alam mo, pinaka-wonder ko talaga, paano na discover yung yung civet coffee?
Yung
Civet coffee! If it's the best,
tanangin mo si Taste and Sip by Tisha.
by accident siguro. By accident. Guys, palaisipan, diba? Palaisipan. Okay. Next question. Oh, ito. I didn't know Saan nagmula ang brand na Nestle? Oh, I didn't know this. Okay.
Switzerland?
Oh, galing! Yes! Exactly! From Switzerland. Galing! Nestle. Natutuwa ako minsan pag dumadaan ng BGC. BGC ba? Sa Rockwell. Nakita ko yung building nila, yung Nestle Philippines. Ang building kasi nila, it's not really that high. Hindi ko pataas. Nakita-kita mo yung Rockwell. Natutuwa lang. Nestle Philippines, doon lang pala. Doon yung headquarters nila.
Ni-invite ako ng patients ko doon before. Mayroon kasi akong dalawang patient na doon nag-work sa HQ. Sabi nila, kung gusto mong mamili ng mga Nestle products, Doc, sabihin mo lang.
Really?
Kaya, makakuha ka ng 20% discount. Pero employees privilege lang siya. I-extend lang daw. Hiya naman ako over. For Nestle lang, guluhin ko pa sila.
Good job, Nestle. Tama yun. Give discounts to employees.
I'm done. Second rice na ako.
Question.
Don't forget to support our collab. Tonight's PG Family Mukbang.
Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's food without pretensions. Next question. Saan nagmula ang IKEA?
Sweden?
Yes. Yeah. Because the Swedish, natuto tayo mag-assemble ng furniture. Natuto tayo kumain ng pagkain sa cafeteria nila. Ang sarap. Diba? Sarap ng cafeteria ng IKEA. Sa Abu Dhabi. Hi! Punta kami dun sa IKEA. Pinaka-excited ako sa cafe nila. Hi! Next, ito parang, wow, I didn't know that. Saan galing ang Nokia?
Japan?
No.
No? Taiwan?
No. Diba ang galing, no? Hindi ko alam kung anong Japan.
Korea?
No.
So I'm assuming it's not Asian. Saan?
Finland. Yeah, Finland. Oh, yeah. Galing ang Samsung. Ito, yan.
US?
No. Oh, you love
Japan.
watching their movies.
Korea! Napupuyat si Sean minsan. Actually, matutulog, sabi niya, tulog na ako, Beb. At ko, okay, matulog ka. Nanonood ako ng K-drama. Tapos pag tinitingnan ko siya, gising pa. So, why are you still awake? Laging sinasabi, ang ganda kasi ng mga pinapanood mo eh.
Yes. Matulog kasi maaga pa ako for my work. Pero yun, ulita ko yung show sinisip. Wala na. Kaya ko kunyari pero gising, nakamulat yung mata.
Sinasabay niya. Siguro ako minsan, bakit siya nagganon? Ano nangyari sa kanya?
I thought you were sleeping.
Again.
Saan ang galing ang Mercedes-Benz?
France?
Nope.
Italy?
Nope.
Di ko alam, sino?
Germany. Pati Volkswagen, by the way. Germany.
Ay, yung giveaway talaga yun. Diba?
Ito. I hope, alam mo ito. I'm sure alam mo ito. Louis Vuitton.
Ay, hindi naman ako mahilig mag-shopping. Paano ko malalaman yun?
Oh, sorry. Akala ko sa pronunciation.
Italy?
Nope.
France?
Yes! It's French.
Parang feeling ko ang laki-laki ng kasalanan ko sa fashion industry dahil hindi ko alam saan galing ang bibig.
For the word, di ko rin alam.
Although I heard sa US, lahat yata ng Pinoy doon meron isa.
Really?
Hindi lang isa, collection.
Wow. Good job, guys.
Nakikita ko ibang vloggers, gano'n. Tsaka di ba yung kinukwento ni Jokoy? Pero, sabi niya, every Filipino daw has
Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Di pronunciation, Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
Mapa-purse or ano.
Meron lagi isa. So, last question. Ang brand na Gucci, where did it come from?
Hindi mo shocking. Saka France din?
Nope.
Italy?
Yes!
Ano ba yan? May pagkakalaan tuloy ako na hindi fashionista. Ano totoo kasi sa amin dalawa ni Sean, siya yung fashionista, siya yung shopping ng shopping. You know when I got pregnant, siya rin yung nag-shopping ng clothes for me. mommy ko. Tapos kasi, nung in elementary and high school, yung mommy ko naman yung lagi nagsha-shopping for me. Either that or I prefer shopping sa cabinet niya. It was bliss. Pero ayoko nagsha-shopping sa mall. Feeling ko it's a waste of time, money, diba? Mas gusto ko palaging kumain. Noon pa lang, gusto ko talaga kumain, hindi mag-shopping.
And because, dahil yan, and we're here. That's why we're here. Okay. Food is bliss. Food is life.
Yeah, so thank you once again to our collab tonight. That's PG Family Mukbang.
Yes.
So please support them, man. And subscribe to their channel.
Sa amin din, of course.
Sa amin din.
Kayo naman. Diba?
Food without pretension. Please follow us on our Facebook and IG account. And don't forget to give this video a
Thumbs up.
thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!